And there's sound here. Okay, now we're back. We have the animation from before, and let's see if it still works. I'm gonna push the button here, press the E key, and the animation is running. Let's see what happens when I press the E key again. There we go. It stopped. So now we want to add this audio file. Let's listen to it. That sounds great. Sounds great. So we're going to add this audio file to. Oops. Let's just stop this one here. To this animation here. So what we need to do is first we will make a C# script. I'm just going to name this, so I'm going to call this engine sound. Alright, I'm going to double click it, starting the Visual Studio because it's so light on the computer. And that was a joke. Let's see here. So up here, first I'm going to make a public audio clip, and I'm gonna name it crank. There. I'm also going to make a public audio source, and I'm going to name that let's see, audio source. Very intelligent choice. Okay, now I need to, when we're going to make an event on the frame, so we need to be able to call it. So I'm going to go here to the void update, and I'm gonna make a void, and that's gonna be, we're gonna name it crank sound. Yeah, well, that's a good word. Down here, gotta remember the brackets. There we go. Down here I'm going to make the this one here. Just gonna copy this one. There we go. Audio source, and we're going to call it by play one. Oh wow, got it delivered right there, one shot. And here I'm gonna name the file. I'm gonna call, or not name it, this is the file I actually gonna call, and that one was called crank. There we go. Okay, so this one should be good. I'll save this. Okay, now the fun part starts. On the crystal model here, we're actually going to take this animation here. Got this animation here. See if it's gonna work for me. I'm going to the window and go to animation. I'm gonna choose crystal here, and up here I'm supposed to be able to make this choice here, but you can see they are grayed out. Add keyframe or add event. I can't do that. For some reason, when I import it, it won't do it. If I do it inside Unity, I got these. So I'm going to make another one here. Control D, and now I got the new one. And I'm going to my animator, and this is the original one. I'm going to delete that. I'm gonna take the new one up here, And let's see if I can call it here. Yeah, now I got it. Now I can add the event here, and I'm just gonna add it at frame 1. Okay, so now we got the event here. And we still need to add a couple of things to our model here. So to make this work, we need to add a audio source, and we are going to add our script. There we go. We're gonna take our audio source, pull it down here in our crank sound. We're going to call the crank sound there. Okay. And now we can go up here to our event, double click that one, and up here we should get the crank sound. Wow. But that's because of my naming up here, because I think I call it crank sound. It's just that name here. So we're just gonna take that one, and that should be fine. I'm just gonna close this one down. Okay, let's make the big test. See if it works. So I'm gonna push the button, and now I'm going to stop it. I'm gonna start it and stop it. So it works. So now it's ready for the champagne and the money and dancing and all that kind of wonderful stuff. Okay, that's it for now.